Girl. She finna go to the farm or something. Home from work. Don't mind the mess. It is what it is. But this is what I wore to work today. Jean jackets from Shein, dress from Fashion Nova, and slides from Walmart. Something simple yet cute. Had the jacket buttoned up most of the day because this kept doing like this. Y'all, I've been super productive this morning. Like, it's 10 o'clock. I've edited a video. I ordered my kitchen table, finally. I know this bonnet probably all over the place. But it is what it is. But I had to get up at 6:45 to take my goddaughter to school. Then I came home, edited this video. Then I just ordered my kitchen table again, finally. I'm trying my hardest not to lay down. I do have a lash appointment today. I need to see about making a fill-in appointment because we do have pictures on Saturday. My goddaughter's wig came in, so I do need to drop that off. And I need to see if I can drop my wig off to be styled as well because I don't feel like curling it. So I'm waiting to hear back to see if the girl can do that. Let me make a list before I forget. I do need to go to the post office. I do have an eyelash appointment. So the reason I'm trying to not take a nap is because I know that way at my eyelash appointment I can sleep longer. I think I got some zip ties in here somewhere actually. I need to look. But I bought a shower caddy, but it's too high. So I want to use a zip tie to make it longer. But that's going to look so ghetto. I need clear zip ties. So I need to do that. And then possibly find some shoes for the photo shoot. I ordered everybody else's stuff. That package is supposed to come today. I ordered it from Fashion Nova. I couldn't find no dresses for everybody anywhere else. So, got that. And then I forgot and just ordered those on Sunday. Should have been ordered those, but it is what it is. I filed a claim for the piece of my bed because a button came up. And I have insurance. Insurance comes in handy, y'all. So, yeah. I've just been on it this morning, y'all. And video is uploading on YouTube now. So I'll probably go ahead and make a thumbnail. Go ahead and get it scheduled to post today at 5. I have my shorts scheduled for the next 2 days. I could probably go ahead and get started on my video for Thursday because today is Tuesday. I don't know what I want to post though. I want to post a talking video. I want to talk about something. I don't know what I want to talk about. But let me get moving so I don't interrupt my productiveness. So yeah. All right, y'all, I'm here to get my lashes done. My head itching. I can't wait to wash my hair. It held up pretty nicely though. Very, very nicely. But let's go get these lashes done. Okay, she finna try these heels on. Okay. Girl. She finna go to the farm or something. I forgot to show y'all my lashes. Period. You're not cute though. I am cute, and I see why they mad now.
But who's mad? Or is that just something?
All right, y'all. Off work. Last thing to put together. It's a egg something chair. I don't know what the name is. I'll show y'all when I'm done. Hopefully it don't take too long. But I'm ready to finish with these projects so I can get all these boxes out my house. So let's get started. Never mind, we'll try it tomorrow. But I did take it out the box. Those are all the boxes I need to get rid of right there. And there's more right there. But at least the floor is semi-clear. Toesy woesies. I gotta straighten the rug. I gotta vacuum. I gotta get rid of these tables. Gotta get rid of these tables. Like, it's a lot that needs to be done. And it has to be done by next week because it's time to decorate for Christmas. Good night, y'all. Hey, y'all. Home from work. Outfit of the day. I done took my sneakers off, baby, because my feet was hurting, okay? Maybe I should put them back on and take a picture, though. But two-piece from Fashion Nova. Y'all have seen it before. Well, in the Fashion Nova haul. Hey, y'all. Good morning. I'm just all over the place this morning. I need gas. But just leaving. Ow. So I'm going back to the gym. I'm going back to my trainer for the majority of the time, and then, you know, I can still work out at home because I got my stuff at home. But yeah, so I decided to sign up with a trainer because I mean, I be knowing the stuff to do. I just need more like of accountability and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. Work out with my old trainer. He's at a new gym, so I had to go and like sign some paperwork and stuff. Cause I'm supposed to turn right there. Dang it. But yes, I did that. So now I'm headed to my nail appointment. I'm about to get this red off. I think I just want to do clear pink, or I might do white. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out by the time I get there because we're taking Christmas pictures tomorrow. Yeah, taking Christmas pictures. And my dress is gonna be red. And I don't want red nails and red dress and a red lip. So I think I might just either do white, or I might do like my old clear, you know, neutral color or clear pink color that I normally would get before I started getting designs. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm supposed to drop off my goddaughter's wig and my hair. Well, my goddaughter's wig and my wig. She's getting her hair done tomorrow, and I'm getting my wig curled. Cause that wig that had the side part in it, it has a lot of layers, and I'm good with curling, like basic stuff, but I just couldn't get the gist of curling that wig with the layers, so I'm gonna let somebody professionally do it. But my goddaughter ain't sent me the address, so I don't know where this girl shop at. Sun's out, buns out. I just ordered my Starbucks. My nail tech is running a few minutes behind, so I got time to get breakfast. It says it's gonna be ready at, oh, it says they're working on it now. It's ready at 9:05, so that's like 5 minutes. Let me actually park in a parking spot versus being in the middle of a bunch of them. I'm so ready to take this ponytail out. My hair is so bad.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What's my start for you today? Any food items?
Hi, I have an app order for Candace.
What was the name on that?
Candace.
Candace, we got it for you. Go and come on up. We'll see you up here.
Thank you. What is that? Oh, that's a chocolate croissant. Yeah.
Love for Candace.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ooh, I like your nails.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too, love. Thank you. She's pretty spunky this morning. So I got my caramel ribbon crunch with almond milk. Almondy. And I got a double smoked breakfast sandwich. So I'm about to head to my nail appointment. Sit outside and eat until she is ready. All right, at my nail appointments. Gotta get these nails done. Ooh, I can't wait to wash my hair today. Okay, so we are home, and what's over there? Oh, my heat pad. And she's about to help me take this hair out, and then she's gonna wash her hair, and we're about to watch Home Alone because it's about to be that season. And then while she's taking my hair out, we're gonna watch a movie, and I'm gonna clean up in here real quick. Just a couple of things to pick up: pants, shoes, put them where they're supposed to be, put them clothes where they're supposed to be. Nothing too major. Been trying to keep it, you know, keep it cute, keep it cute. So we are home for the night. Good morning. It is photo shoot day, y'all. This thing throws me off. So we are about to head to drop my goddaughter off at her hair appointment. And then I'm picking up my wig that the girl also curled. And then come back, makeup, get styled, and we are headed out to the photo shoot, y'all. I'm excited. It's Christmas time in the city. There's a dress over there. Finna eat the girls up. We finna eat the girls up. So, come on, y'all. Let's go. I gotta go pick up my mom first. I had that hat on, but now I took it off because I took me a little nappy nap. Well, I attempted to. It only lasts probably a few minutes. And then my goddaughter said she was ready. So her hair is did. So I'm excited to see how it turned out. So we're about to pick her up now. I look like I've been fighting sleep. I'm as tired.
Hello?
Hey, I'm outside.
Huh?
I'm outside.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye. Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
hard to wet it because it was really thick. Like, it was thicker than the last birthday wig. I feel like I got a 200 density. Anyways, you start the show. All that.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
For now?
Yeah, for now.
She gotta get her lashes on, child.
Oh, yeah. When I get the lashes, I'm gonna be back on.
Well, as soon as I got to sleeping.
I told you she don't take that long.
Mm-hmm.
I actually told you it was like an hour and 45 minutes.
Well, how long it's been?
An hour and like 45 minutes.
I had a little just lay down, but it's cool. What time is it now? It is 1:10. So I should probably go home and start on my makeup so I don't have to rush. You happy?
Hello, world.
It is me.
She's back.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. You should have, did you make any videos?
No, I was, but I ain't feel like it.
You can always put your body on and just pretend like your hair ain't done. Okay. This is the before of me. Did you look at my hair? Look at my hair. I ain't put that hat back on. All right, about to get started.